balance ka mo. Ari pag-puso.
This is the biggest lake in Bali.
Ano? What is the name of this lake?
Batur.
Batur.
B-A-T-U-R.
Bulong ito na sila ito yung nabilin. Nakik lang. Wake up to ito, ibe.
Jeep. Kung daw. Itong sa video ni Sir Yagan nagka-bike pa video.
Gabike pag ang ano, ni take.
Sample yung video tapos nagtumba siya ano. Excisure Philips.
Stop at the doctor, just get the receipt, yeah?
Yes.
On the left, he say on the left, Dr. Ayu.
Si Jared lang. Nag-hospital din siya sa Singapore. Pinalipong siya kaya wala siya nagkaon. Noon, nagtingin ng loya ito malipong. Kilaing yung mansag niya.
Kena? Kena? Okay na? Okay na?
Makat na lang kayo kada next doctor ha. Check up ang lamay, okay? Basta fit lang yan. Basta
Sa video, ganun ko no, not enough sleep. What are the cause, sir? Yeah? Not enough sleep.
Bali area also, and the see people.
Kita medicine.
Okay na? Makaya?
Yep.
Kaya na?
dala mo reseta mo.
May pharmacy.
Wala.
So,
Balaan mo nga lang sa
I think we just need to buy
kay ang obrahon ta
Pharmacy,
makadto ta sa ospital. Makuha lang ta reseta.
even if
Private
you go to the
doctor.
doctor, the doctor will
Sa bakal
just
ta
say,
bulong mo para kay no. Bali sa tatlo kadlaw wala ka kay no bulong.
But emergency
We buy the pharmacy. It's got and then I will come. I really need to buy.
then may bisita.
Wala.
Ang kabot namin na
May
okay sakit.
reseta ka. Dala. Bala.
Picture?
Picture lang sa reseta.
Pa-send. Send picture.
Kay white ng white bala mo nila yung mga sitio. Iyaw.
Doktor
Iyaw,
mo,
iyaw.
doktor, contact sa doktor. Kontakon mo doktor. Facebook, cellphone.
Number na lang ka sekretary ka tong gatawag si mo bala sa ospital. Number na lang.
Ang cellphone niya gulo. Yun ang cellphone na.
Actually nagmuno man sa gila under airport.
Tapos ang aircon.
Nainipan siya.
Wala siya mo.
Ang katawag si mo bala sekretary ka doktor.
Nainitan sa
Oo.
Ilan ganit doktor mo?
Magaling.
Okay lang.
Hindi ko sure.
Sure kung
May picture sa may demo din na to.
okay din siya. Allowed
Hindi pa
siya.
hindi pa siya fully ano gitu.
Or mas safe siya din.
Di sa ba nga lang sa Pranset para iliso ipan ormo no
Pwede
bilada
na
aron.
sila.
Kasi
Gabon,
mag-picture din sa
maganda.
blackout kung makapicturean ng driving.
May pharmacy here.
Near the city. Like after 30 minutes.
Okay. Ang isa na lang gid ka is hospital na lang gid yun.
Hindi pa
Kung
siya,
wala
ano?
siya resita, mo hospital gid tayo. Okay, hospital na lang. I think we need to go to the hospital because he don't have the doctor paper, so we need the emergency of hospital.
The pharmacy first and then
No,
Emergency
we can't
room.
buy the medicine in pharmacy.
Because we can talk to him, he is not fully responsive. He doesn't know his
What's
doctor.
happening?
He doesn't know what's happening. So he doesn't know his doctor. So we just go to the hospital.
go to the hospital.
check up.
Doctor maybe I will find the private doctor.
It's okay. We will tell the hospital this is emergency.
Yeah.
We will process that.
Just pay. Just take us to the hospital, the take card.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all card.
Sa pagtupos na kay Glorin. Kaya dito yun sa saka to, nag-ipiat kita dahil dito. Isit belt na lang isa na yun. Set belt!
Tuon na sila.
Ah. Ga-download na naman sa. Ga-download na sa downloading na sa. Ga-download.
Instead nga kamo.
Daway man. Gabro ba check sa.
Wala man dugo.
Way man. Ari man sa kamo. Ari man bagbasyo. Way man download na download upos nga download. Download na.
Ikaw mablan pag wala lipong tamo ka.
This one is for one car only in our roads.
Sino man tourista ka to, di ba?
Ikaw or mga nagtalang.
Lambot ka na di.
Oh, step pagid di ako noon. Yeah.
Kasi kung siya ganyan.
That why in Bali must be have the manual car.
Yeah.
Ano ka na nang?
Manual, ano?
Oh, no. May isa ka ba gaya?
Oh, gabi pagid
Para
ka
sa
step.
langit. Dugay-dugay ah. We're going to the heaven. Up and up. Up and up. Another up. Going up.
Gasaka na yung gasaka yo. We will go there.
Up in the mountain na, no? I can spook it, just. Hindi may kakuha sa angle sa kilid. Okay, kita mo kitang paagam mo na sing duta o no? Kung sa tubang, hindi mo makita ano eh. Yasaka eh. Ha? No, tunla lang mo no? Tunla lang laway mo. Gaulan. Paggaslinahan to daw.
We're at the top. Not yet.
More to come.
Saka.
Still going up.
Another 20 minutes go up.
Oh.
Sa mo ning ang bayan nga gamay lang mo.
boys to. Kintamani. Damoy dia balay. Clouds. Star ka din naman.
Isaka, kaya Isaka Quiapo.
Left and right. Pag.
Shell mo na.
Mm.
JNT. Yeah.
GFC sila na.
GFC.
Local KFC.
Local KFC, yes. We have GFC, we have AFC, we have ACK. ACK.
In Philippines, Jollibee.
What?
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Yeah. The B. What is that? Anong B?
In Australia, junk food. Junk food.
Plastic.
Lamig eh.
Topic.
Main town na Negros.
I hope they have toilet here. Yeah?
Nando. May sign dili, may symbol for toilet.
Then,
To toilet.
wait. Wait.
Wait.
Yes. Yes.
Ito, oh, mas CR. Toilet, toilet. It's not CR, it's toilet.
Go ahead then.
Okay.
Say
Lamig pati sa gwa. It's cold outside. Weather is cold. Huwag pagtigab ko ano do ang chili sauce. Ice cream. Magnum. So we choose our drinks here. Hmm? One toilet lang.
Very dirty. Nakamalis.
Nita ng kahoy ng
Kung pwede lang. Simula Toronto dito.
pwede man pader, ano?
Ano yun?
Be. Mabay ka food. Ice cream. Gusto mo ice cream? May ice cream to. Hindi ka. Ikaw nung ice cream nung. Ano yung mo eat? Candy ka. Eat ka candy. Majep, ano yung majep? Salon pass. Candy. Hmm? Yupi. Na yupi. Ano na yupi?
Hello noodles, nurse. Say noodles. So weird.
Ang taste na anong noodles na. Tip. Na CR. Ah, fine.
Ay, wala ka record.
record na.
Okay, this, that.
Excuse me. What's that? This camera?
I don't know. It's my father's.
It's my father. This is GoPro?
It's for vlogging.
Black. Let's go now.
I What you buy? Oh, napkin. Ang bakal sa taga.
Dumadula ang panamil, Guglo.
Ano?
Malain ang panamil. No, guay mentos, guay. Guay inas lang. Mentos, ay mentos. Ito lang, madulang pa. Dito ko na ice cream. Mer!
Chan, grabe.
Kita mami.
Babalik.
Okay na ba? Drinks lang mabakal ko, drinks. So, drinks. Coke. Sprite.
You have toilet already? You
What?
go toilet already?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No?
The three of us, yes. The
Yeah.
two of them, no.
No water.
Parang no?
Ano na? Ha? Milo. Sige lang, manala ko nun.
I'd like the extra
Hindi gusto ko madula ang... Gusto mo, May? Oo. Milo? Oh, okay. Help me. Okay, and then water. Okay, let's go. Nag-pay na sa mga ba?
Ano gusto mo?
Ay, tas belanja.
Sorry.
All
English.
English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back.
Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah.
With back. With back.
With bag?
Yes,
No.
with bag.
Oh, mahal ka pa ba?
No
No
bag.
more bags. It's okay.
Yeah.
Philippines. It is similar like local people in
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
The face.
face and skin
yeah.
is brown.
Bakal kayo na. Sakit yung ano.
Kasi pa lang.
Mm.
500.
100.
Okay.
Ay.
Ano yun? Survival kit.
Wonder kung anong...
Nagbakal mo ko. Hindi na, Jeff. Base bawal na sa'yo, Jeff. Yeah, help me. No need bag. Okay. Thank you. We just drink again. And eat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Would love it.
Si Sorry ulit to. No.
For your story, I always knew.
Wow, it's cold outside. Aircon, di abi? Hala, may glamig. May glamig. Maybe.
Panaon pa lang. Kung wala din na. Huwag na lang.
Okay, Mango, make it there. NCR ka da. Wala. Limpyo. Hala pa to.
Sunod lang po. Oo.
Kay ano, drugstore. Sala naman kami
Milo.
Indonesia.
Indonesian.
Sorry? Oh, you look like skin and color.
You look like Indonesian. Here's the real Indonesian. Boka.
Pakap, kupak, bukupak. Pakap, pakap.
The one minute.
Ika pakap. Ika pakap. Ika.
What's that?
Cream.
Wow.
Female
Wow.
necessities.
Kwanta ang pagsulog. Yan eh.
Kita ulo lang sa pangano do.
Gaya na ano niya.
Grabe po kayo rin.
So, ulitan, belong.
Lamig diya pag gaya do laki aircon sa guabla. Sa sulod to init pa. Tayo na, Matt. Silawan niya.
Tomentos na.
Uy, hello. KitKat pa diya ya. Okay, we will drink the Milo chocolate drink. Diyan? Yeah, mountain. Yeah, all
But
coffee.
this time so many building on the left. Used to be no building on the left. That's good for you there.
Starbucks.
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 Yeah, famous.
Tagay, tayo mo muna yung tagay.
Wow.
Bigis.
Nga.
Kilid sa bangka. Starbucks. I don't know.
Oh, ang Alphamart, ang Indomaret, ganyan, may view man oh.
Yeah, the Indomaret with view. This is the
Very
Puchasari
unique.
restaurant. This is the restaurant. Coffee shop also.
Mm,
The good coffee.
Tigo Coffee.
Sorry, ako na lang din.
May effect na din si Mary.
Okay.
May transition na kay Jeff.
Effects.
May effects na. Special effects. No more.
No, one more here.
One more.
In
Ooh.
front, in front. Yeah.
Is that a lake?
Lake, yeah, Lake Batu.
Mm. Lake up in the mountain?
Down, down.
Above sea? Above sea level, guro na no?
Yeah, elevator. Yeah, India more view here. Yeah. More nice view.
Nice siya.
More nice view here.
Dito kayo nung anso?
Kapit niya ako.
Ah. Oh, anjing.
Oh, anjing. Oh, that's the tree.
Nice. Hmm, magpapalo.
Now.
Going down. It's not
Na, no need na. Hindi, open. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah, close the door.
Para may harap sa transition. Go ah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Di ba lang?
And then,
Doon mo yun ang kapit.
Sige, namin sa akin.
Then stand. Then stand.
Pwede ba paano ka na ako?
it's okay.
It's okay. I got you.
Same view. Hmm. Still same view.
Okay.
Okay. Which one is bigger? This one lake or
This one bigger.
this one is bigger.
This is the biggest lake in Bali.
Ano?
niya? Dan.
What is the name of this lake?
Batur.
Batur.
Batur. Then Pasar there.
You can see Denpasar here.
I think
Over there?
Pasar there.
Mm. You can see the light at night. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
All good. Wait, close the door first.
Apple ka na.
So the volcano don't explode.
We have the other mountain there, and then back there is mountain, but coupled by foggy. Yeah.
But the land there is
Not enough.
like burned.
Yeah, that Black Lapa.
Ah,
The
yeah.
Lapa used to be there.
Okay.
And now become black stone. Yeah?
Yep.
Black lava stone.
That's right.
So you have many, you call that materials for
Yeah, for concrete.
concrete na. Lupit na.
The big truck collect the sand and
Mm.
the stone there.
That's why the price for that is cheaper.
Cheaper here
Yes.
compared in Denpasar.
You have more.
Used to be I'm truck driver.
Mm.
I have truck. I buy truck on 2004. Bankrupt 2006.
Okay. You drive for
For myself.
for
my-
lava?
For my truck.
Lava.
For
Sorry.
concrete. For concrete.
For concrete,
I mean for sand.
cement.
I sell to Denpasar.
Mm. So ano gani? Concrete.
For
You
concrete,
carry
for building.
the truck carry the concrete?
No, the truck carry the sand and stone.
Sand.
Concrete rin.
Mm.
We have concrete truck in Denpasar. We have. Yeah?
Okay. good.
The concrete truck we have.
Yeah. So you change driving to
Yeah,
tourist.
because
You can talk to sand.
that my business was bankrupt on 2006
Mm.
because I. Do you know? So this morning I passed that way behind of that mountain.
Okay.
That like circle, that very far. Ulun Danu temple is behind of that mountain.
Oh, dito the morning. So we
This morning we passed that way,
Yes.
and then now you are here. Oh,
other side of
I-
the mountain.
I've been tell you from there. I told you. That's my
Yeah.
village. I show you like that from there.
Yes.
This is you are here now.
Oh, this is your village already?
Behind the mountain.
Behind the mountain again?
But this morning I saw you from there.
Yeah.
That's my village.
Oh, tomato.
Ano siguro sa dalo mo? Gamo, kamatis. Karao. That's tomato.
The people here we grow tomato, chili, garlic, onion. Yeah?
Mm.
Sell to Denpasar. Denpasar mo yung city, the city.
The road here is not nice.
Yeah, I don't know. This is the tourist place.
But they don't fix.
I don't know the government. Waiting for August maybe, Augustus. July, August, yeah. Because the road project sometime on August start.
Rainy season.
Yeah.
It's like, ako naman si ano mo.
Hmm? Clemency line.
Lime.